So Prahlad Maharaj, he shows a very key example of how to attain Krishna Prem. So in Nectar Devotion, Srila Prabhupada is describing this Bhava Bhakti. What is the nature of Bhava Bhakti? So Bhava Bhakti can be attained in two different ways. But actually, Bhava Bhakti can only be attained in one way. The way one attains Bhava Bhakti is by mercy, Kripa. But it's told in Nectar Devotion that there's two divisions, but actually there's only one. So let's follow this line of thinking. First it says one attains Bhava Bhakti by the practice of sadhana bhakti, by the intense practice of sadhana bhakti. But then we'll also read in Jiva Goswami's commentaries on Nectar Devotion that one cannot attain Bhava Bhakti by sadhana. You cannot attain Bhava Bhakti by the practice of sadhana. So this seems to be a contradiction. How to reconcile? So the reconciliation is that we attain Bhava Bhakti by sadhana if our sadhana is practiced with intensity. It's practiced with intensity and with a sincere longing and desire to attain Braja Bhakti, or pure love of Krishna. This is our sadhya, this is our goal, the attainment that we always keep in our mind, that we want to attain this Krishna Prem. And that is why we're doing Shravanam, Kirtanam, Smaranam, and Archanam, and Vandanam, and all different dasyams and types of sevas. Because this is always in the forefront of our mind and in the core of our heart. We're chanting, we're hearing, we're serving Guru, we're serving the temple, we're doing all these things to attain Krishna Prem. Because what happens is, to actually attain Bhava Bhakti is called Shuddha Sattva. It's called Vishuddha Sattva Visheshatma. Shuddha Sattva Visheshatma. It's described in Nectar Devotion. That what is Bhava Bhakti? Bhava Bhakti is called the Prema Suryamshu. Prema Surya Amshu. It is a ray of Prema. It is a kiran. It is a ray of the light of Prema. Just like before the sun rises in the sky, it becomes light. Some rays of light fill the atmosphere, and we can understand soon the sun will rise. So this bhava is a type of bhakti. Bhakti is only one. But bhakti is in different stages of development. Like a mango fruit is one, but a mango fruit appears in a green stage, and then later it becomes more ripe and mellow, and becomes a little yellower, and then finally it becomes very golden yellow, or even reddish, in its mature, ripened, sweet state of perfection, for relishing and eating. So bhakti is like that mango, and it's increasing in its sweetness and its flavor. But in the beginning of bhakti and sadhana bhakti, it is like chutney. Sadhana bhakti is like mango chutney. It's like green mango, you can only make chutney with it. But bhava bhakti and prema bhakti is like you can make mango shakes, and you can do so many things. And just eat the mango straight as it is. It has so much taste and flavor.